Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here, and welcome to the channel. I'm so glad you could join us today because we have a really important topic to discuss that affects a lot of people. Whether you're heading to a big meeting, going on a date, or just hanging out with friends, bad breath can be a real confidence killer. But don't worry, we're here to help you tackle this issue head-on. Today we're tackling a topic that I know a lot of you might be a little self-conscious about: bad breath. It's something that can make social interactions awkward and uncomfortable. You might find yourself avoiding conversations or keeping your distance from others because you're worried about how your breath smells. Listen, it's totally normal to have bad breath from time to time, but if it's something you're dealing with regularly, it can really impact your confidence. You might feel embarrassed or anxious, and it can even affect your personal and professional relationships. But the good news is, you're not alone, and there are solutions. The good news is that there are some really simple and effective things you can do to fight back against bad breath and keep your mouth feeling fresh. From maintaining good oral hygiene to making smart dietary choices, there are plenty of strategies you can use to ensure your breath stays pleasant throughout the day. We're going to break it all down into 7 easy tips that you can start using today. These tips are practical, easy to follow, and can make a big difference in your daily life. Whether it's incorporating certain foods into your diet, using specific dental products, or adopting new habits, we've got you covered. So if you're ready to say goodbye to bad breath for good, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear action plan to tackle bad breath and boost your confidence. Let's dive in and get started on the path to fresher breath and a more confident you. Alright, let's start with the foundation of a healthy mouth, and that's good oral hygiene. It's something we often take for granted, but maintaining a clean and healthy mouth is essential for overall health. Think of it as the first line of defense against a host of potential problems, from cavities to gum disease and even bad breath. You guys have heard me say it a million times, but brushing and flossing are non-negotiable. These 2 simple actions can make a world of difference. Brushing helps to remove the plaque and food particles that accumulate on the surface of your teeth, while flossing gets into those tight spaces between your teeth where a toothbrush just can't reach. Brushing your teeth at least twice a day for a full 2 minutes each time is crucial for removing food particles and plaque that can lead to bad breath. It's not just about the frequency, but also the duration and technique. Make sure you're using gentle circular motions and covering all surfaces of your teeth, including the front, back, and chewing surfaces. And don't forget to use a fluoride toothpaste. That's key for strengthening your enamel and fighting cavities. Fluoride is a mineral that helps to rebuild weakened tooth enamel and reverse early signs of tooth decay. It's like giving your teeth a protective shield against the acids produced by bacteria in your mouth. But here's the thing, brushing alone isn't enough. While brushing is great for cleaning the surfaces of your teeth, it doesn't reach the spaces between them. That's where flossing comes in. You've got to floss at least once a day to get rid of the food and bacteria that get trapped between your teeth, where your toothbrush can't reach. Flossing helps to prevent gum disease and cavities in these hard-to-reach areas. It's a simple step that can have a big impact on your oral health. And one more thing, don't forget about your tongue. Your tongue can actually harbor a ton of bacteria, which can contribute to bad breath and other oral health issues. Your tongue can actually harbor a ton of bacteria, so give it a good scrub with your toothbrush or a tongue scraper every time you brush. This helps to remove the bacteria and food particles that can accumulate on your tongue, keeping your mouth cleaner and your breath fresher. Remember, a healthy mouth is a happy mouth, and taking these simple steps can go a long way in maintaining your oral health. Another important aspect of oral hygiene is using mouthwash. Mouthwash can help to kill bacteria and freshen your breath. Look for a mouthwash that contains fluoride to give your teeth an extra layer of protection. Swish it around in your mouth for about 30 seconds after brushing and flossing to get the best results. And of course, don't forget to visit your dentist regularly. Regular dental checkups and cleanings are essential for maintaining good oral health. Your dentist can catch any potential issues early on and provide professional cleaning to remove any plaque and tartar that you might have missed. Staying hydrated is also important for your oral health. Drinking water helps to wash away food particles and bacteria, and it also helps to keep your mouth moist. A dry mouth can lead to bad breath and other oral health issues, so make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Finally, pay attention to your diet. Eating a balanced diet that's rich in fruits and vegetables can help to keep your teeth and gums healthy. Avoid sugary snacks and drinks, as they can contribute to tooth decay. Instead, opt for healthy snacks like apples, carrots, and celery. which can help to clean your teeth and stimulate saliva production. By following these simple steps, you can maintain a healthy mouth and a beautiful smile. Remember, good oral hygiene is the foundation of a healthy mouth, and it's something that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. So take care of your teeth, and they'll take care of you. Staying hydrated is essential for your overall health, but it also plays a major role in fighting bad breath. When you're dehydrated, your mouth produces less saliva. Saliva is like your mouth's natural mouthwash. It helps to wash away food particles and bacteria that can cause bad breath, so make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day. A good rule of thumb is to aim for about half of your body weight in ounces of water each day. For example, if you weigh 150 pounds, you should aim for about 75 ounces of water. We all know that certain foods like garlic and onions can leave our breath less than desirable. These pungent ingredients are often used to add flavor to our meals, but they come with a downside. The sulfur compounds in garlic and onions are released when they are chopped or crushed, and these compounds can linger in your mouth long after you've finished eating. This is why you might notice a strong odor on your breath after consuming these foods. These foods contain sulfur compounds that can linger in your mouth and cause bad breath. The sulfur compounds are absorbed into your bloodstream and then expelled through your lungs when you breathe, which is why brushing your teeth alone might not be enough to get rid of the smell. It's a process that can take several hours, or even longer, depending on how much you've eaten. But it's not just about avoiding the obvious culprits. There are other foods that can also impact your breath in ways you might not expect. For example, dairy products can leave a residue that bacteria love to feed on, leading to bad breath. Similarly, certain types of fish, like tuna, can have a lingering odor. Sugary foods and drinks can also contribute to bad breath because they feed the bacteria in your mouth, leading to plaque buildup and bad breath. When you consume sugary snacks and beverages, the sugar interacts with the natural bacteria in your mouth, creating an environment where these bacteria can thrive. This not only leads to bad breath, but can also contribute to other oral health issues like cavities and gum disease. So, what should you eat? Making the right food choices can significantly impact your breath and overall oral health. It's important to be mindful of what you consume and how it affects your body. Focus on fresh fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods are not only nutritious but also help in maintaining good oral hygiene. Fresh fruits and vegetables like apples and carrots can help clean your teeth and gums as you eat them. Lean proteins such as chicken and fish are less likely to cause bad breath compared to fatty meats. Whole grains provide essential nutrients that support overall health, including oral health. These foods are not only good for your overall health, but they can also help keep your breath fresh. By incorporating a variety of these healthy options into your diet, you can enjoy the benefits of good nutrition while also maintaining fresh breath. Remember, what you eat matters not just for your body, but for your breath too. Mouthwash can be a great addition to your oral hygiene routine. Look for an antibacterial mouthwash that contains fluoride. This will help to kill the bacteria that cause bad breath and strengthen your teeth at the same time. But remember, mouthwash shouldn't be a substitute for brushing and flossing. It's an extra step you can take to help keep your breath fresh throughout the day. Chewing sugar-free gum after meals can be a helpful way to freshen your breath on the go. Chewing gum stimulates saliva production, which helps to wash away food particles and neutralize acids in your mouth. Just make sure you're choosing sugar-free gum, as sugary gum can actually contribute to tooth decay. Regular dental checkups are crucial for maintaining good oral health and preventing bad breath. Your dentist can identify any underlying issues that may be contributing to your bad breath, such as gum disease or cavities. They can also give your teeth a professional cleaning, removing plaque and tartar buildup that you can't get rid of on your own. You've probably heard about probiotics for gut health, but did you know they can also be beneficial for your oral health? Probiotics are live bacteria that can help to balance the bacteria in your mouth. This can help to reduce plaque buildup, prevent gum disease, and improve your breath. You can find probiotics in certain yogurts, fermented foods, and oral supplements. So there you have it, 7 simple but effective tips to help you say goodbye to bad breath. Remember, maintaining good oral hygiene is the foundation for fresh breath, so make brushing, flossing, and cleaning your tongue a daily habit. Staying hydrated, eating a healthy diet, and using mouthwash can also go a long way in keeping your breath fresh. And don't forget to schedule regular dental checkups and consider incorporating probiotics into your routine. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and advice. See you next time.